Do you want to create high-quality videos in just minutes without needing expensive software or hiring professionals? Well, what if I told you that is very easy? In today's video, I'm introducing you to Vidu AI, a revolutionary tool that makes video creation fast and simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Vidu AI step by step. You'll learn how to create videos from text prompts or images, improve your video quality with the upscaling feature, use the character reference option to maintain consistency across videos. Vidu AI is an exciting new tool that helps you create videos simply by typing in a text prompt or uploading an image. Makes it simple, quick, and effective. All the videos in this demo were made using Vidu AI, so let me show you how you can do it too.
Step 1. Logging in and setting up.
First, go to the Vidu AI website. I've added the link in the video description below. Once there, click Try Vidu AI. You'll need to log in, so either create a new account or use your Google account to log in faster. After logging in, you'll see you have 80 free credits each month. Each video you make costs 4 credits, so with a free account, you can make up to 20 videos each month. If you want more credits, you can always upgrade to a paid plan.
Step 2. Creating a video from text prompt.
Now let's get started with making a video. Click Create Video to enter the main interface. Here's where the magic happens. You have 2 main choices. You can either type a text prompt or upload an image to create a video. But before we jump into that, let's talk about the style options. There are 2 video styles, general and animation. The general style creates more realistic videos, while the animation style makes a cartoon-like video. Let's go with general for now. Next, enter a simple text prompt and click Create. In about 30 to 60 seconds, your video will be ready to watch. That's incredibly fast compared to traditional video making tools.
Step 3. Improving quality with upscaling feature.
While the video looks good, you may want to make it even better. That's where the upscale feature comes in. This feature improves the video's quality, making the visuals clearer and the movement smoother. To upscale your video, click Upscale under the video and hit Create again. It will use 4 more credits, but the results will be worth it. Now, let's try creating a video using animation. We'll use the same text prompt as before. As you can see, the animation style gives the video a fun, cartoonish look. This is perfect for creative projects, social media, or if you want to try something playful.
Step 4. Creating a video from an image.
One of the best features of Vidu AI is the ability to turn an image into a video. Let me show you how it works. I'm uploading an image of a man with brown skin walking in the city looking happy and cheerful. After uploading the image, you can type anything you want to do. I'm going to click Create without typing in any extra text and see what happens. Here's the video. The man talking with other people in the city. Pretty amazing, right? Again, you can always click Upscale to make the video even better.
Step 5. Character consistency across videos.
Now let's talk about another awesome feature. Character reference. This allows you to upload a picture of a character and use that same character in multiple videos. This is great if you want to keep the same look for all your videos or create a series. To try this, I'll upload a picture of a woman and select character reference. Then, I'll type in the prompt, a woman drinking a coffee, and hit Create. Here's the result. The woman in the video looks like the person in the picture we uploaded. Let's try another prompt. A woman in a blue jacket singing a song. As you can see, the character remains the same across both videos. This is great for brand consistency or creating virtual influencers. Before downloading your video, Vidu AI lets you adjust the speed of the video. When you're happy with the result, click Download, and your video is ready to share. So that's a complete walkthrough of Vidu AI. With just a few clicks, you can create videos from text prompts or images, improve the quality with the upscale feature, and even use the same character across multiple videos. If you want to give it a try, check out the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this.